Small little job in the workshop today, because we now have time, is fixing a Yamaha R6 tank. These back bolts hold in the side panels which wrap underneath the tank on an R6. Hooks in there and it gets bolted through there. And it has to be a very, very short bolt. If it's too long, it actually presses on the steel at the back of the tank and pierces a hole and causes a leak. Common problem for those using the wrong bolts in the tank. So we're now going to have to cut down here, fold it back, remove all the paint, weld up, or build up where it's broken, put the tab back, re-weld it, and do the same on the other side. Let's get cracking. That's it done. It's not pretty, but it'll seal. Because the bolt's been continuously pushing that metal every time the tank's been removed, side panel's been removed, it's been stretching the metal out and out. So although there was a hole in the middle of it where the bolt pushed it through, almost punched it through, but the area behind it made the metal really, really thin. So there was not a lot of weld to it. So we had to go back to the outer part, do a build up from there, and then slowly come in and close up the hole again. It's not ideal, but it'll work. We'll put down the flap, we'll weld it up, we'll do the other side. Typical. Now that both sides are done, we need to pressure test it to check for leaks. This is not going to be as easy because the cap is already on, but we'll just use a bit of masking tape. We'll find where the vent is, we'll put some air down it, and soapy water will tell us if it's leaking or sealing. So quick pressure test showed no leaks at all. Both welds are very good. We shouldn't see any more fuel leaking out of this thing, so it's just time to weld up the little tabs which we cut in half, and this will be good to go. And there we have it, one repair on an R6 tank. The prettiest of welds, it wasn't clean enough, there was all the paint in the backside, you could see it bubbling through when you were welding it, but it's only holding on a small plastic panel, so it's perfect. Main thing is, it's not leaking fuel, so it can be used again on track. Another job done.